Everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using this 8x10 canvas and some giant craft sticks, both of those from Walmart. I remove the staples and then pull off that canvas. I'll just be using the frame. I brush on some antique wax by Waverly and then use a baby wipe to blend and smooth that out. And I cover the entire thing and dry that completely. And then I'm taking 6 of those giant craft sticks and I'm taping them down just to make the painting easier. And I'm painting those front and back with plaster chalk paint, and that's by Waverly. I lay one of the craft sticks down on the back of the frame and just mark that with a pencil and cut those down with my Fisker shears. I cut the first one and then just use that one as my guide to cut the rest. And since those spots that I'm cutting will be unfinished now, I just touch those up with that same paint. I line those up first on the back of the frame to get their placement and then use hot glue to attach them. And then I'm painting these wooden letters that I believe I got from Dollar Tree, spelling out "Be Kind," and painting those with ink color chalk paint, also by Waverly. And then arrange those on the craft sticks. And then once I have my placement, I attach those with hot glue as well. Next, I'm taking my Posca paint marker. This is black. And then I'm just drawing little dashes for a line that'll be connected to little bees that I'll be hot gluing into place. And then the bees I got from Amazon. 2 of them I hot glue at the end of those little black dashes. And then the third one I'm hot gluing to the letter B. The last thing I do is use my heat tool to get rid of any hot glue strings. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.